So now I am going to explain the expanded form. In the expanded form, expanding a number as the sum of the place values of all digits is called expanded form. Sum of the place value of all digits. Here we wrote the place values now. So before only we write the place values here. So we have to add all the place values, then we will get the expanded form of the given number. So I am going to explain another one. Here we are going to write the place value for this. So put commas according to the periods. Ones period after comma, thousands period after comma, lakhs period after comma, it will be the crores period. Here we have to read the first number 70 crores. Each number you have to write. ఒక్కొక్క నెంబర్కి మనం ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. సో 7 ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉంది, 7 in 10 crores place, 7 in 10 crores place. Next 3 is in crores place, 4 in 10 lakhs place, 9 in lakhs place, plus again 4 here, 4 in 10 thousands place, 8 in thousands place, 3 in hundreds place, plus 4 in tens place, plus 8 in ones place. Write 7 into 10 crores plus 3 into crore plus 4 into 10 lakhs plus 9 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000, 8 into 1000, 3 into 100 plus 4 in tens, 4 into 10 plus 8 ones, 8 into 1. Again you have to multiply this. 7 in 10 crores means 70 crores plus 3 in crores means 3 crores. 4 in 10 lakhs means 40 lakhs. 9 in 1 lakh means 9 lakhs. Plus 4 in 10,000 means 40,000. Plus 8 in thousands means 8,000. Next 300 plus 40 plus 8. Like this you have to write the expanded form. Understood? First you have to write the number and the place place. Next you have to write, you have to multiply that digit with the place value. Place means you will get the place value. 7 is the digit, it is in 10 crores place. You have to multiply these two means you will get the 10 crores, 70 crores. So like that you have to write the place values and add the all place values of the given digit means you will get the expanded form. Understood? Next. Now I am going to explain the second checkpoint in page number 12. See there, write the place value and face value of the underlined digit in each of the following. So in first question, checkpoint 2A. So A sum, what is the given in this A sum? 1 in lakhs period, so 1,27,000 period and 804. When you are going to read any number, you have to mention the periods. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Okay, when you are reading, you have to write the periods only. No need to write all places. Okay, 1,27,804. In that, which digit have underlined here? 7 have underlined. So we have to write the place value and the face value. Place value of 7 is equal to, so here place value of 7 means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 7 in thousands means 7 in thousands. So 7,000 you have to write. 7,000 are 7,000. So the place value of 7 is 7,000. Face value of 7 is the number itself. When you are writing the face value of any number means the number itself. Okay, so place value of 1 is 1 only. Here face value of 8 is 8 only. Here face value of 2 is 2 only. When you are writing the face value means the number itself only, we have to write that number again. Okay, when you are writing the place value means that digit into that place. You have to multiply the digit with the place, then you will get the place value of that number. Understood? Next, dsum also I am going to explain here. So here I am going to explain the dsum. Here also ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Try to read the every number when you are doing. Okay. So 79 crores, 15 lakhs, 62,038 is the given number. So in that number, one have underlined here. One is underlined. So one is in which place? It is in lakhs period, no? So lakhs, in lakhs period, what are the places will be there? 1 lakh and 10 lakhs will be there. Here one is in 10 lakhs place. So place value of 1 is equal to 1 in which place? 10 lakhs place, 10 lakhs. No need to write the place there, you can write the place like this also. అంటే స్పెల్లింగే రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఇలా కూడా నెంబర్ వేసేసుకుని 1 in 10 lakhs, 1 10 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Like this you can complete that. And what is the face value? Face value of 1 is the number itself, 1 only. Okay. Next, you have to complete these two sums and as well as you have to complete the remaining two sums also. నేను చెప్పిన సమ్స్ మళ్ళీ కంప్లీట్ చేసి అలాగే మిగిలిన సమ్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. నేను చెప్పిన వదిలేసేయడం కాదు, అవన్నీ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంటే మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద థర్డ్ చెక్ పాయింట్. అబ్జర్వ్ ద థర్డ్ చెక్ పాయింట్ దే. రైట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇన్ ద ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫార్మ్. ఆల్సో రైట్ దేర్ ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఇన్ వర్డ్స్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఇన్ వర్డ్స్. ఓకే, ఇందాక రాసుకున్నాం కదా, అలాగే మనం ప్రతి నెంబర్కి ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉందో ఇంటూ రాసి ఆ నెంబర్ నేమ్కి ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్లో రాసుకుని దానికి 7 in lakhs అయితే 7 lakhs అని రాయాలి. అలా రాయమని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో ఏ సమ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హియర్. ఏ సమ్, అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఏ సమ్ హియర్. వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. When you are writing the expanded form, each and every place must be mentioned. అన్ని ప్లేస్లు మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. నెంబర్ చదివేటప్పుడు పీరియడ్స్తో సరిపోతాయి, కానీ ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ రాసేటప్పుడు మాత్రం అన్ని ప్లేసెస్ కావాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కొక్క నెంబర్ ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉందో మనకు తెలియాలి. సో హియర్ 1 in 10 lakhs plus 0 in lakhs, 0 into 1 lakh. 3 in 10,000s, 10,000 plus 2 in 1,000 plus 5 in hundreds plus 2 in tens plus 2 in 2 1. So here 1 in 10 lakhs means 10 lakhs plus 0 into any number we will get 0 again. So in 3 in 10,000s means 30,000, 2 in thousands means 2,000, 5 in hundreds means 500 plus 2 in tens means 20 plus 2 in ones means 2. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు కదా, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ ఇన్ నెంబర్ నేమ్స్. ఆల్సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద ఎక్స్పాండెడ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ హౌ యూ కెన్ రీడ్ దిస్ 10 lakhs. సో 10 lakhs అని రాయాలి. 10 lakh ప్లస్ 0 ప్లస్ 3 30,000 ప్లస్ 2,000 ప్లస్ 500 ప్లస్ 20 ప్లస్ 2. Like this you have to write. For every number you have to follow these rules only. So here I am going to explain the dsum. Write the places for all digits, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So now 5 in 10 crores. So 5 in 10 crores, again 5 in crores and 5 in 10 lakhs and 5 in lakhs. Here 8 in 1,000, 0 in 8 in 10,000, 8 in 10,000, 0 in 1,000, 9 in hundreds, 2 in tens and 3 in ones. Multiply with the digit with the appropriate places. 5 into 10 crores means 50 crores. And next 5 into crore means 5 crores. And 50 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 80,000, 0, 923. You have to write that with the numbers. Write the given number into expanded form. Then you have to write the inverse. You have to write the inverse for each and every place value. So here place value of 50 crores is here. 50 crores you have to write 50 crores. And it is 5 crores plus 5 crores plus 50 lakhs, like that you have to complete this. Understood? Like this you have to complete the 1, 2, 3 checkpoints I have explained, and all of you try to do the sums which are explained by me first, then you have to try the remaining sums. First నేను చెప్పిన సమ్స్ మళ్ళీ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి, అలాగే తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ సమ్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి.